You're so smart. I love you. Can you cut your toenails, though, real quick? Cut your toenail. Mommy's going to have to get the clipper. You've got one that's too long. Good boy. Come on. Cut your toenail. Good boy. You're so smart. Good boy. Cut your toenail because it's too long and you don't want Mommy to have to get the clippers. Cut the toenail. Good boy. The only parent in the world that knows how to cut his own toenails. You're a good boy. Yes. Can you be a telephone? No, it's a spaceship. Be a telephone. You ready to go, Night-Night? You want to be a telephone real quick? Oh, you did good job. I'm very proud of you. I'm very proud of you. Yes, he's still getting his toenails. He hates me to get the clippers. Oh, he hates the clippers, doesn't he? He says, I'm going to cut each and every toenail so Mommy doesn't go get those clippers. What do you think of the clippers? They scare me. Okay. Oh! Just kidding. Good boy. Get her, Toby. Oh, my goodness. We're just big, tough kitties. We're big, tough kitties. We're big, tough kitties. Oh, my goodness. We're just big, tough kitties. He baits her on. He loves it. Look at him. He's such a good boy. Him bad boy. He's so silly. Oh, look at this. I'm going to get her. Want to go night-night? Huh? Want to go night-night? Can you be a spaceship? Look at that huge face in the phone. Thurston. Can you be a spaceship? Good boy. Okay, we'll go to bed. Pretty. Thurston, call the police, call the police, call the police. Thurston, call the police, call the police, call the police. Good boy. You're sexy. Can you be a spaceship? Can you be a spaceship? Good boy. He gets jealous. Mommy talks to Lolo. Are you my good girl? Lolo. Lolo. Are you a good kitty? Are you a good girl? You give Mama a kiss. Yes, Lolo. You're so pretty. Thurston, can you be a cat? Can you be a cat? Oh. Is he beautiful? Yes, is he a good boy? Gives pushy paws. Give me pushy paws. Yes. Treasure. Show me pushy paws. Good pushy paws. Do your pushy paws. Yes, he's so smart with your pushy paws. Oh, that's big yawn. Is he a good boy? Look at Mommy. He's so pretty. Is he beautiful? Give him love pushy paws. He's a good boy. It's pushy paws. Give me some more pushy paws. Oh, he's so smart. Give me pushy paws. Just 2 more pushy paws. Come on. Do it, on. Good boy. There he goes. He's such a good boy. Oh, he's so pretty. He's so smart. He's so smart. Look at that. Oh, he's a good boy. Hey, can you be a cat? Good boy. You're so smart. Hey, can you be a spaceship? Good boy. Thurston, can you be a telephone? Can you be a telephone? Yes, that's my Macho Bear. Now, one more thing for David. What's your name? No, what's your name? Hey, look at Mama. Thurston, what's What's your name? What's your name? No. What's your name? Oh, you're so beautiful. Are you handsome? Are you so handsome? Good boy. That was delayed. He just said his name. I laid her on the bed and she hasn't moved. I laid her on the bed. Oh! You're such a bad bird. You're such a bad... don't you do it. You stop that. You stop that. You're a bad, bad bird. Oh, you know better. Don't you do it. What you doing? Ooh, Quit that. I'm gonna get you. What's he say? I'm gonna get you. Are you funny? You're so silly. Oh, my little monster. Thurston, can you be a monkey? Oh, that's a spaceship. That's my name, Thurston. You're so cute. Are you the cutest man in the world? Where do you want to go? You want to go back? Huh? You want to go back? You're a good boy. Boy, him beautiful. Okay. It's your turn. That's a good boy. Okay, you do it. You start. That's my little man. He's such a good boy. I love you. Can you be a telephone? No, that's a spaceship. Can you be a telephone? Good boy. Is he the smartest, cutest thing in the world? He took his own feather out so he could scratch himself with it. Do you see the feather? Oh my God. He's so cute. How smart is that? That you are a bird and you pull your own feather out and go, ooh, this is going to feel so good.